Well, Monday was the first of several stormy days here in Kern County. For today, the worst is behind us, but there is a lot more rain, snow, and wind that's going to be moving in. And the rain and snow, and especially the snow, are going to be real concerns as we head into the day tomorrow. Right now, again, the heaviest of the rain has already passed us by. Picked up about a quarter-inch in Bakersfield. You can see there's still a lot of moisture to our north. Actually had some pretty significant thunderstorm activity in the Fresno area just about an hour ago, and we could very well still see some isolated showers, even a rumble of thunder, not completely out of the question as we head through the night tonight. Just the light showers here and there. So we're really not going to see much in the way of significant snow or rain accumulations tonight. We still have to watch the passes overnight, though, because just a little bit of snow can cause some problems in those areas. So let's put Futurecast into motion here. Doing a pretty good job picking up what we've got going on right now, which is really not all that much. Most of the activity today is over with, as I just said. But through the night tonight, just a couple of on and off showers here and there. You do start to see some blue as we head into the overnight hours. It will be cold enough that as those little stray showers move over move over 58 and the Grapevine there, we could get a little bit of snow. I think less than an inch, most likely just a trace, but again, could be a little bit slippery at times over the Grapevine. Better snow chances, though, as we head through this Futurecast run. So by tomorrow afternoon, we're starting to see more rain pick right back up. It's going to be later in the day tomorrow, late afternoon into the evening, that this rain starts to push through once again, but we're definitely seeing rain again tomorrow. And as we get into tomorrow night, you're seeing a lot more blue here on Futurecast. It does seem very likely that we are getting more mountain snow and a good chance of snow at pass level tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Probably some additional showers into the day on Wednesday, and then it looks like we could get yet another round of rain late Wednesday night into early Thursday, and that, as it moves through, could give us some additional mountain snow as well. So we're nowhere near the end of this. Today was just the first of several days of stormy weather. So additional rain totals look significant over the next several days. Here in the valley, an additional ½ to an inch looks likely. That's on top of the quarter-inch or so that we've already picked up. So we still have plenty more rain left to fall. Into the foothill areas, you see these yellow shaded areas where we could see over an inch of rain. Our mountain areas will get some rain here, but many of them are actually going to start to see more in the way of snow as we head through the next several nights here. So I mentioned it, through the night tonight, we could have a little bit of snow over the passes. I don't really think we're looking at significant accumulations tonight. Better chance of snow sticking above about 4,500 feet. Probably not heavy snow anywhere. We just don't have that much moisture left over for tonight. That will change tomorrow. We are going to see significant snow tomorrow, and by tomorrow night, the snow levels drop to below pass level. So again, accumulating snow over the passes does look fairly likely tomorrow night. That could lead to delays. That could lead to even closures of the Grapevine or 58. And we're probably going to see some heavier snow totals for areas above, again, especially about 4,500 feet, because you aren't seeing much rain at that level. You'll see mostly snow. So here's what we're looking at approximately through Wednesday morning for snow totals. Highest peaks in Kern County, 2 to 3 feet of snow seem likely. Even places like Pine Mountain Club above 5,000 feet, anywhere from about ½ foot to 1.5 feet, depending on where you are and where that snow sets up. So significant totals above 5,000 feet, even above 4,500, some good totals. At pass level, I've got 2 to 4 inches, which is definitely enough for significant travel impacts. Again, that's tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, and even down to Lake Isabella, we could see some snowflakes as we get into tomorrow night or early Wednesday. And again, we're going to repeat that process likely Wednesday night into Thursday as well. So 7-day forecast is going to show significant rain on and off through Thursday, but even some lingering activity as we head towards Friday, Saturday, Sunday, not out of the question. We're clear out for the most part, but a couple of stray showers are definitely possible, and our weather looks like it could get active again as we head into next week. 7-day forecast here for our mountain and desert communities. Again, cold enough by Tuesday night that we could very well be looking at snow over the passes. Even a little bit of snow for the KRV is not out of the question. And again, we could very well see a repeat with additional rain and snow moving in as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. So we are nowhere near the end of this series of storms. Things are really just getting started here in Kern County.